This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good and safe. Thanks for watching my videos and thanks for your support. I hope you have already subscribed to my YouTube channel. If not, you can just click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the immediate notifications whenever I upload new videos. I hope this video, it's a small video. I'm planning to give a small tips to how to remember the moment types, how the sector of moment type. Actually, we don't have to remember the moment types completely like a by heart, like a student. Okay, because we are consultants, we are going to work. Only what we should know is what should we know? Like what are the functionalities and what kind of standard moment types are available, whether it is possible or not. Otherwise, you can open your system and you can search which moment type is available. So we are not in an examination. Maybe when you go for interviews, even for a senior level of interviews, mostly they don't ask for moment types. Maybe somewhere at 2 3 years of experience, or sometimes we may get for 4 years experience like that. So we don't have to exactly remember the exact moment types. When you are working for a long time, when you are practicing, you will slowly remember some of the frequent used moment types. Okay, my tips will be helpful for you to give a some kind of understanding. I'm purely explaining this tip which I used in my initial days, and still I follow the same thing. So I hope some of you will get benefit out of this video, and provide you a comment and like the video if the content is good. Let's go to the topic. Okay, first of all, when you go for moment types, we know that the moment types are available in inventory management to have multiple kind of goods moments in SAP, and to create a new moment type or to check to display the moment type, the configuration is OMJSA, we will see in the system. And to get the list of moment type details, like whether the moment type, what kind of account grouping details available, and the details of the moment type related, you can get from T156 table. And if you want to get the moment type code and its description, we need to use the table T156HT. Okay, that is just open the table and the T code of moment type. OMJZ. OMJZ is the transaction code where you can create a new moment type or checking the existing moment type also. Let us check any one moment type. Click on moment type, click enter, 101 to 101. I want to check the moment type of 101. So this moment type have the multiple details, like if you see expanded tree, then you can see the short text of the moment type and what are the allowed transactions. This moment type can be used for what kind of transactions you can utilize it, and the field selection, like which field will be optional, which field can be required entry. These things we can control here. And the accounting grouping, this is the OMWN, what we see in our automatic account determination configuration. What kind of keys will be triggered when you do this moment type in inventory management. And reason for moment. Okay, what are the different kind of reason for moment we can maintain here. And okay, any reversal kind of any other moment types which are involved with that moment type, return delivery 122 and reversal 102. Okay, all these information can be seen in moment type in this configuration OMJJ. Okay, we can display the data, everything we can create here. You can see the details about the moment type in transaction code OMJZ. If you want to create a new moment type, we click on this copy button, and then we create our we give our new thing. And most of the functionalities, for example, if your new moment type is related to 311 kind of a transfer, then you copy the 311 and you create maybe Z11, anything such kind of new moment type can be created. So the details of moment type can be seen in OMJZ. And coming to the table wise, T156. T156 will hold the value of moment type, same 101. If we check it, we can get the moment type. What are the information? What are the in OMJS? Most of details you can see here. Moment type text also we can see here. GR for goods receipt. Okay. Moment type text also can be seen, and all the information we can see. If you want to know that is there any other tables related to moment type, maybe if you get a doubt, you can give the T156 star and click on F4, so that you will get the related moment types. See, there are some other tables also available. You can check what exactly the purpose of the table and why it was introduced. Okay, how to check those things. Okay, those and all we can verify it. And even see the main text of moment type and the text of moment type. Okay, we can use that moment types to see the exact text details based on your language. For example, some kind of countries, like if you take Thailand, Vietnam, okay, some of the specific countries, they need their local language based moment type text, because many of the users are not much familiar with English, so the local language we can maintain it. Any countries wherever the requirement is available. So if you want to get a specific language, we can pass that language code and the moment type, and then execute it. You can see the moment type text. This is about different kind of moment types. Let's see these moments. See, all the moment types are available here. One say 101 for goods received and 103 for GR block stock. Okay. These are all, we can see the different kind of moment types. Let us see the my tips which I'm going to explain you. Okay, so if you segregate our moment types into mainly till 7 series, you can see 1 series, 2 series, 3 series, 4 series, 5 series, 6 series, 7 series. Okay, we have multiple series. Let us see that one series. One series moment types mainly it related to goods received and related moments. So the one series mainly deal the goods receipt related. Goods receipt, against purchase order and production order, all these come under 101, and the cancellation of goods receipt is 102. So the related moment types means, for example, 103 GR block stock. When you receive, if you want to keep it in GR block stock, and you want to return the delivery, you want to return the stock as soon as you receive it, then you use 122 or 124. And 161 return delivery, if you do a goods receipt against return delivery, 161. So the moment types related to one series are you can see here. See here, GR block stock, release from GR block stock, goods received and cancel PO reversal, and return to vendor. Okay, and 161 GR returns. GR returns based on the goods receipt return delivery. When you do the goods receipt against return delivery, so all these one series are related to goods receipt and related moment types. So what is two series? Two series will be goods issue related moments. Okay, goods receipt related moments and goods issue related moments. What kind of goods issue? You can see this general goods issue, like goods issue for cost center, goods issue for project, goods issue for sales order, goods issue for asset, goods issue for production order, process order. So all these kind of goods issues come under two series. So okay, two series goods issue related, mostly it will be in two series. Okay, that's what we can remember. And three series will deal about the transfer posting. Three series will be transfer posting related movements. Transfer posting like plant to plant, storage location, material to material. Okay, these kind of transfer postings and their reversal movements. For example, 301 is a transfer posting of plant to plant one step. 302 is the reversal. and we have two steps, 303 and 305. At the same time, for 311, transfer posting between storage locations one step, and 313 and 315 are two steps. So if you see moment types, you don't have to by heart it. You just open this table, or you can open your Migo transaction and check that. Just read the moment types for a few times. Okay, you don't have to remember exactly by hearting the moment types like 301 plan to plant one step, 302 plan to plant one step reversal. You don't have to by heart in that way. How do we do in the childhood kind of thing? You just see. Maybe you can give a 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes of time, maybe 5 minutes of time per day, or once in 2 days when you prepare it, you just check it. Okay, so it will be automatically, you can remember, and most of the cases, most of the moments you can just remember. Yes, see for example 343, you don't know, you forgot that 343 what exactly the moment type, but with my tip you can definitely know that this is related to transfer of stock. The transfer of stock, it may be stock type from blocker to unregistered, unregistered to block, that quality to block, any kind of moment type. Okay, 343 related to transfer of stock. And that can be remembered, and exactly you can see the transfer blocker to unrestricted use stock. Then you use the 343. So what you can understand now, 3 series is mainly for the transfer of stocks between stock types, quality to unregistered, unregistered to block, block to quality, these kind of transfers. And the plant to plant, storage location, material to material. Okay, these all related transfers come under 3 series. Okay, coming to 4 series. Special transfers. I can say that special transfer postings. Okay, the special transfer postings are like wherever we are transferring the stock, the special stock. For example, consignment to own stock, or 451, the goods receiving of return stock as a non-validated. Okay, these kind of moments are available in 4 series. For example, we know 411K for transfer of consignment stock to own stock. Okay, so special stock to own stock, or receiving of return stock, these kind of some special stock postings and all happen here. Special transfer or special stock postings, special stock or transfer postings. There are these kind of a special transfer postings are available in 4 series. The most popular as an consultant is the 411K. We use to transfer the consignment stock to our own stock. At the same time, sales order to own stock, anything when you want to use it, that can be utilized. Okay, for example, if you go to Migo, look at the 4 series. I just want to show in Migo transaction, which will have a long text, and also we can understand that where exactly we can see it, because it will be visible along with special stock indicator. I will go to goods. Okay, till now we have seen goods received, return delivery, cancellation, and goods issue, transfer posting, everything we have seen. Okay, now we are going to see the transfer posting and the other. If you go and click on the moment type sets text. Okay, 3 series we have discussed. Yeah, here it is starting. Okay, 411K transfer posting of consignment to own stock, project stock to own stock, sales order stock to own stock. We have a special stock of project stock. The project is completed and it is being closed, and whatever the stock remain in that project, means the WBS stock, you want to move to your own stock, and that stock can be utilized for a new project, or else can be utilized for your regular activities of your business, any kind of activities. At that point of time, we use the moment type 411Q to transfer the project stock to our own stock. 411K is highly popular for an consultant because we use this in consignment procurement process. Once the goods is happen, the stock will be sitting in consignment stock, and when we need the stock for our operations, For the business operations, we move the stock of consignment to own stock, that is 411K. So these kind of all special kind of a transfers, everything happens in 4 series. You can go through what are different movement types available and how it will work. Okay, that you can check in your system by checking each movement type. Let us go to the next series, 5 series. The 5 series will be, I can say, one term which will satisfy most of the 5 series one. Other goods receipts. What are other goods receipts? The two popular other goods receipts will be goods received without purchase order 501, unrestricted stock. If we have a block or a quality and all, we have 503, 505, all related movement types, and 561 initial entry of stock. If you want to boost the stock, wherever you have to give the audit explanation also, whenever you want to correct the stock in your system, and during cutover and a fresh implementation, all the stock in the warehouse will be initially entered in the system, SAP system, by using 561. So 561, 501, okay, and here we have 551, the goods issue for scrapping. These movement types also they are putting. The 531 received byproduct if you want to receive it. Okay, 511 received without any charges, delivery without charges. These kind of all special kind of goods receipts and goods issues. For example, goods issue for scrapping. Okay, and 557, there is a stock lying in stock in transit, you want to clear it, you want to adjust that kind of a stock, then 557. So what we can say here, other goods receipts and goods issues. Okay, because we cannot tell all the types of things at high level. I can say that other goods receipts, like goods receipt without purchase order, goods receipt to initial entry of stock balances, and special goods issue like scrapping, and 557 to clear the stock in transit. These kind of other kind of goods receipts, goods issues will be stored in 5 series. And then the 6 series. 6 series at high level, I can say it is related to MMSD integration. Okay, most of the movement types, it will be like sales and STO related goods movements. Okay, what happens? Sales 601, goods issue against delivery. 641, goods issue against STO, intra STO, 2 steps. And we have a 643, 645, 647, all related to the STO related movement types. 601 is related to sales. So wherever that STO, SD integration and sales related module movement types are coming under 6 series. So let us have a look. Goods issue for delivery, 601, most popular movement type, and another will be, yeah, 641, 643 cross company, 647 and 645. See, 645 is for one step between two companies. Cross company, we can see that intercompany STO, inter, and 643 for 2 steps. 641 is for our intra STO between 2 steps, two step intra STO, 641, and 647 for the one step in intra STO. So what you can see at high level, mostly the sales related, wherever MM is integrating with SD, the inventory management is integrating with sales related module, that movement types mostly covered in 6 series. Okay, finally we are coming to 7 series movement. 7 series is at high level, I can use the one word. 7 series movement types are related to physical inventory related movements. So when do we use this one? For example, physical inventory, you have a profit or loss. Profit means physically 9 pieces, but system wise you have 8 pieces, then you will increase the stock, it's a profit. Physically 8 pieces, system wise 10 pieces, then you have to decrease the stock to match with physical stock, then it's a loss. So the gain or loss which happens during the physical inventory process, all these kind of movements are coming under 7 series. So you can go through this one. This will definitely help you to understand that 1 series, goods receipt related movement types, goods receipt, cancellations, everything come under that package. 2 series package, it will be goods issue related, the general goods issues like goods issue for cost center, goods issue for production order, goods issue for project, goods issue for sales order, these kind of goods issues. And 3 series for the plain transfer postings of stock between plants, between storage locations, between stock types like quality to unlisted, those things. And 4 series for the special stock kind of a transfer postings, consignment to own, sales order to own, project to own, these kind of movements and their reversal movements, everything come under 4 series package. The 5 series like other goods receipts and goods issues, you try to remember goods receipt without PO 501, initial entry of stock balance is 561, and goods issue for scrapping 551, and clearing of stock in transit 557. These kind of movements are coming under 5 series. Coming to 6 series, 6 series is directly we can easily remember. Any 601 you remember, so that you can understand the 6 series. 601 goods issue against sales order. So when you create a goods issue sales order outbound delivery, when you issue the stock to the customer, then that movement comes under 601. And 641 to 647, these movements related to STO that we remember. So the 6 series related to wherever IM inventory management is integrating with sales and distribution, that movements come under 6 series. Coming to 7 series, 7 series is mainly dealing related to the physical inventory. During the physical inventory, the inventory postings, gain or loss, these kind of movements will be coming under 7 series. Thanks for your time. I hope this video has definitely have given you an understanding of movement types, how to remember, and how to segregate the overall movement types into 7 types. And I just explained based on my experience in this almost 8.5 years, how I remembered. Initially I used to try to by heart, and then I found that some common nature. Based on the common nature, I segregated, and finally I'm coming with these small tips. Even I explained some of the videos of my inventory management this point, but recently how to remember the movement type. Some interviews are asking the movement types, we are forgetting. Okay, at least if the, like I give an example, 343, you didn't remember, the interviewer asked you about 343, you didn't remember, but you can give a hint. I'm sure this is related to transfer posting, some stock types, I think, but I didn't remember exactly whether it is blocked to unlisted or unlisted block, but it's related to that. Anyway, I can find out. You can answer in that confident way. Yes, he has an idea, but without any proper logic, you say that goods issue for cost center. So that will give a negative impression. He doesn't even know about the goods issue for cost center. That's related to 2 series, 2 not 1. So at least if you don't remember the movement type, you can confidently tell that, yes, I know this 3 series related to transfer posting, and the initial 301, 311, these are all related to stock movements between locations. So definitely 343 means it could be related to some stock types. I didn't remember exactly. That, like that, you can answer it. Okay, thanks for your time, and I hope you like this video. Like the video and share with your friends and colleagues, and check all of my other videos by using playlists. Give your valuable feedback and have a good day. Thanks again.